So now coming lecture number 2. In lecture number 1 I have explained taproot system, which is the types of forms of root system. So taproot system I have explained. Now come to fibrous system. Now come to fibrous system. So in the fibrous root system, the first root that comes out of the seed does not remain the main root of the plant. What happens in taproot system? In taproot system, whatever the first root which comes out of a plant, that becomes the main root system, and from that main root system all other branches grows. But in fibrous root system, the first root that comes out of the seed does not remain the main root of the plant. Okay, so there is differences also. In the fibrous root system, okay, the first root that comes out of the seed does not remain the main root of the plant. Okay, it does not remain the main root of the plant. But in taproot, whatever first root comes out, that remains the main root of the plant. It is replaced by a mass of small roots that grow from the base of the stem. Okay, like one example is the seed that of radish, ground. Okay, this is ground part, and in this ground part radish will grow. Okay, this is radish. Now its leaves are there. Okay, its leaves, and from this all small mass of this is a radish, that is stem part. From this stem part, this is land area, this is soil area. Okay, so it is replaced by a mass of small root that grow from the base of the stem. Okay, so it is replaced by a mass means small. This all is small. Okay, small mass of small root that grow from the base of the stem. Okay, see, whatever first root which comes from the fibrous system, whatever first root will come, that first root will not be main root. Now it is replaced by a mass of small roots. See, these small roots are there now. So from this it becomes replaced. It is replaced by these small. First, whenever you will saw any fibrous root, okay, then first it will come like that. Okay, first whatever its leaves will be there, then the small mass of this small mass of root will be there. Whatever first root will come, that will be not main. From the stem of means the stem of the base. Base means this is the base part, this is the top part. From the base, whatever roots will come, okay, mass of root, small roots will come. That will take the part of the main root. Like this is the main root. Okay, so in this main root, again from the base of down part of this root, this stem, whatever number of small roots will come out, that takes the place of this main root. But in taproot system, what happens? Whatever the first roots come from this, only all other parts of the plant comes. Now example will be grass, wheat, paddy. Example, grass, wheat, paddy, etc. will show you some differences between taproot system and fibrous root system. 101 we have seen what is taproot system, what is fibrous system. Now I will show you some difference. This side taproot, this side fibrous root. Okay, taproot and fibrous root. So in taproot, the first root remains the main root. The first root remains the main root throughout the lifetime of the plant. Okay, in this, whatever the first root comes, it remains the main root throughout the life unless it will be not cut by the any machine, or it will not eroded by the air, it will be not eroded by any wind. Then until unless whatever the first root will come, it will remain the lifetime. But in fibrous root, it is just opposite. The first root does not remain the main root, throughout the lifetime of the plant. Then who takes the place? Okay, so it is replaced by a small, okay, it is replaced by a mass of small roots that grow from the base of the stem, Okay, so this is first difference. Now second difference we will see. Now come to second difference. The main root is a single thick root. In this second difference, the main root is a single thick root. Whatever the main root will grow, that is very thick. From which several smaller and thinner roots grow. Okay, from that roots, several smaller and thinner roots will grow. Okay, in the taproot. Root from which several and smaller roots grow. But in fibrous root, it consists of many thin roots growing from the base of the stem. It consists of many thin roots that grow from the base of the stem. Okay, because in this, whatever the first root comes, it remains the main root. In this, whatever the first root comes, it does not remain the main roots. Okay, now the third point, the main root is thicker than the side roots. In this, the main root is thicker than the side root. In this, all the roots are almost roots are almost of same thickness. Same thickness. Now, its example are, last example लिखेंगे, it's bean and hibiscus. This example is grass, wheat. Okay. So these are the references. In next classes I will go for root shoot system. So Puna would better.